In this video, I will show you how to see Safari history on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up Safari on your iPhone. Once you've done that, if you look at the toolbar at the bottom, you've got some different icons. And what you want to do is click onto this icon here, which looks like a book. So this one just down here. Now from here, it's going to load up a screen like this. As you can see, we're currently on bookmarks. Now you've got some more icons that's come up underneath bookmarks. To see your history, what you're going to want to do is click onto this clock icon, so this one here. This is going to take us across to our history, and what we can do here is it's actually sorted by days and times and things like that. So for example, we can see our history from this morning, we can see the history from yesterday, so Tuesday evening, and we can just go through the different dates and see the history that way. Now there's also a search box here, so if there is a keyword or a certain word you was looking for in the history, then of course you can go ahead, press onto the search box and search for a particular word using the search feature here, and this is going to bring up all the results with Google in this example. So that is how to see Safari history on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.